Here I have OPPO RX17 Pro, and let me show you how to wipe data on the following device. So at the very beginning, you have to turn off your phone. Just tap on power key and hold it for about 3 seconds. Now just slide down to power off. And once it's off, you have to enter the recovery mode. So just tap on power key and volume down key all together and hold them until you see OPPO's logo. Now you have to select the language, so just tap on English and then pick wipe data. Here you have to enter verification code, which is 6886. And now you can either format your data or wipe data. But as we want to wipe data and keep all messages, contacts and photos, we should select the first option. So just tap on wipe data. Now we have to confirm it because this operation cannot be undone. And if you are sure that you would like to do it, just tap on OK. And that's it. Wipe all application data success. Tap on OK to confirm it. And now you can go back and start using your phone normally by rebooting or power off the device. But we truly recommend the first option, so just tap on reboot, confirm it by tapping on OK, and within 1 moment your device will be switched to your normal mode, so you will be able to use it normally. And that's it. Now you can just enable your phone and do whatever you want to with it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.